All right, so we're on this repair. It's actually a 30 pier job. We have 19 on the outside and 11 piers on the inside. And this is what a repair looks like when we're doing it. It's very messy. Um, Usually about a half a cubic yard or even a full cubic yard comes out of these holes, and we just pile them up. And when we're done, we clean up very well, but during the process, it is a headache. That's why we like to make sure everyone's very aware of how bad this looks when we're doing the repair, because it's not pretty. But it fixes your house and we clean up very well. So give us a call when you need a foundation repair.